The Comox Valley Regional District supports green construction, and when Paul Witt, owner of Nutmeg Homes, decided to build his own home, he participated in the CBRD's Home Energy Incentive Program. After speaking with the CBRD Building Department and a certified energy advisor, he realized he can save money and increase the energy efficiency of his new home by using green technology.
Hello, my name's Paul Witt. I am the owner of Nutmeg Homes. I've been building energy efficient homes since 1991, and I've just started my own home as an owner builder, and it's going to be a very energy efficient, cost-effective home. I use insulated concrete form technology. They're expanded polystyrene blocks that click together to form the wall system. When the wall is built, they're filled with concrete. These walls will last not decades, but centuries. They provide extremely good insulation value. They're also very earthquake and fire resistant, and I really love using them. In my house, I'm putting in a hydronic hot water heating system. The way that works is these lines are actually embedded in the concrete, and hot water flows through them to heat the whole entire room. This is probably the most comfortable heat system out there. It's virtually silent, there's no air current, so there's no dust moving around. And on top of that, I'm going to be using a heat pump. That heat pump is going to heat the hot water and heat my domestic hot water, so it's going to be very energy efficient. As a builder, I am working with the Comox Valley Regional District, and they offer often incentives and rebates for energy efficient homes. And I always use an energy advisor and the EnerGuide program when I'm building my homes.
My name is Christy Sacht, and I'm a certified energy advisor with Elemental Energy Advisors Limited. I'm here to do a pre-drywall air leakage test on this home built by Nutmeg Homes. Basically, I'm putting together my frame here, and this is going to ensure a tight seal on the door of the house so that we can check the air leakage on the rest of the build. This is my fan, so this is where we're going to put this to the exterior. And this side is going to be onto the interior, and depending on how leaky the house is, depends on how many plugs I got to pull out, because obviously the more leaks, the more flow we need. So what we're doing here now is we're actually going to be depressurizing the house, and we're going to be blowing the air out of the house. And what that does is it's mimicking 30-kilometer winds on all sides of the house at once, so we can analyze what the air change rate is in this home. So I've got the house now to minus 55 pascals, which is under severe vacuum right now, and I can feel it in my ears. So we're going to start taking our readings. Now that we're done the test, we know what the air change rate is, which is 1.61, and the equivalent leakage area of this house, which is, when we add up all these little pinholes that we went around and found, how big of a hole do we have? Well, we're at 49 square inches, so we're at basically a 10 by 5 hole in this house if you add them all up. The average would be 144 on most builds. So what we want to do is try to tighten those areas up, such as wiring, such as plumbing, telecommunication and cable lines. Those can be dealt with some spray foam. We also have issues with doors, where our door sweeps are not meeting the bottom surface, as well as weather stripping can be readjusted. So now with the recommendations that I give to Paul, he's going to be able to tighten his building envelope. That's going to ensure that he has low utilities. And with the high efficiency heat pump he's installing, we know he's going to save money that way. And he can carry on with a local certified energy advisor and EnerGuide label his build. What that enables him to do is prove the energy efficiency and register this home with Natural Resources Canada, and also becomes the gateway to the incentives available through BC Hydro and FortisBC.
For more information on how you can increase the energy efficiency of your home, consult an energy advisor. They can evaluate your house plans, help you contact builders who specialize in green construction, and give you advice. You can contact the Comox Valley Regional District for information on current incentives and energy saving programs.